this video, I will show you the BB3 series pumps, which are widely used in coal chemical industry, pipeline transportation, and offshore platforms. This series fully complies with the API 610 standard 12th edition, as well as the ISO 13709 2009 standard, and it's classified as a BB3 pump. The BB3 pumps have the following advantages. First, commonly, the nozzle load is only twice of the API standard, but here we offer a 3 times API standard load. This addresses issues such as excessive piping loads, minimizing misalignment errors of the shaft, extending the life of mechanical seals and the bearing. Second, the full channels of the pump are symmetrically arranged, therefore it automatically balances the hydraulic radial forces. The back-to-back impeller design further automatically balances the axial forces. They together extend the life of the bearings and also keep the vibration of the pump within 3 millimeters per second. Third, the impellers are held-mounted, making an interference fit onto the shaft. The pump shaft features a big diameter, and the rotor has good rigidity with minimal deflection. Additionally, the seal rings are arranged with suitable clearances. They together make a very good rotor reliability. Fourth, the BB3 pump is an axially split pump. The casing is made up of the upper part and the lower part, which are bolted together. They need to match perfectly to prevent the fluid leakage. And here at WOM, we use international first-class brand CNC machine tool, so that the resulting tolerance is only 0.01 millimeter, making a tight seal of the casing. Fifth, the inlet and outlet of the pump are both located in the lower casing. During maintenance, there is no need to dismantle the piping. Simply open the pump cover and lift out the rotor. And also, the shaft features a 1-to-16 tapered shaft design, eliminating the need to hot mount the coupling, therefore eases removal. Please refer to the picture for the technical parameters of the BB3 series. And welcome to contact us through email or telephone.